Welcome to this hotly sought after townhome right here in Arthur Terrace, Red Hill. It's special because you've got great outdoor spaces, indoor spaces, and an aspect. Come with me. Come through the front door and everything is on that one easy living level. The lounge, the dining, the kitchen that speaks so beautifully to the balcony and that great view of Paddington. On the top level, you'll be surprised and delighted. Here you'll find the 2 bedrooms and family bathroom. And this is what I call a good size main bedroom. And on top of that, look at all this fabulous storage space along with the ensuite. The versatility of this townhome is wonderful. Great living spaces, both inside and outside, where you can just enjoy even playing with your dog. And then it's a quick stroll up to all the fun that Red Hill and Paddington has to offer. So buyers and investors, I'll see you here very soon.